Bertie, you want to be on the live? Say hi.
Hello.
Just gonna let everyone join. I probably shouldn't touch things with my bare hands. Hello. I'm in a little bit of a different spot than normal. Hi, thanks for joining. We're just gonna let a few people hop on. Hi, Tracy. Hello, hello. Thanks for joining. Paul, say hi. Everyone's cleaning around me. Here, can I, let me see if I can, yes, I can rotate this. There, Kim, say hi with all your garbage.
Hello. Happy Earth Day.
Yes, happy Earth Day. Thanks for jumping on this live. We're in a different location than normal. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to give something away probably. Hopefully not anything that we're finding. Oh, wait, Danny, wait. Danny wants to say hi to everyone. Do a dance. You're far away. Oh, happy Earth Day. Okay, I think we have enough people on that we can get started. So, as you can all see, I'm joining from a little bit of a different location, Plant Therapy for Earth Day. We are out here for a couple of hours on a walking trail that we have. I'll kind of show you. We're in like the canyon, the road's up there, and there's this beautiful walking trail that's down here. There's some water over there. That's Stephanie, say hi. So we just are at this beautiful walking trail, and Plant Therapy is we're picking up some garbage here for Earth Day. So this is what we're doing. Does anybody on watching the live, hi Karen, does anybody have any plans for Earth Day? I'm trying to turn my oh wait, hold on. We'll get there. There we go. Oh, I don't know if I can. Oh, look, I can kind of zoom in. We have, this is only some of us. Someone bending over up there. I don't know. There's lots of people up there. This is only some of us. A lot of the other employees are on a different side of the trail. But who has plans? Yeah, I'm kind of out in the middle of nowhere. Ariel says I'm breaking up. I apologize. Who has plans for Earth Day today? This is just going to be a quick live because I'm out here, so not much that I can do, but I wanted to show you what Plant Therapy is doing for Earth Day today. Let us know if you have any plans for Earth Day. Good morning, Patty. And then if you have any plans for Earth Day, let us know. And then we want to do a little bit of a giveaway. And then I'm going to get back to actually working. They're climbing up this tall hill behind me, so I'm going to get back to working. But, oh, good. Ariel says it's not breaking up anymore. I apologize for that. Eva is going on a walk with their kids. Patty's working today. So are we, Patty. Just doing a little bit different. Oh, that's great. We'll take biodegradable dog poop bags on our walk. That's a good option. So many fun. Plant Therapy recently had a giveaway with oh gosh, I just lost the name of the company. I just bought a bunch, but it's reusable like lunch bags, like Ziploc bags, but they're not, obviously Ziploc bags. Lunchkins. Thank you. Stephanie's down there yelling at me. If you haven't checked them out, that could be a great option to invest in something like that for Earth Day. A little bit of work than playing outside today, but Lunchkins, I just bought a bunch. There are so many cute designs. My children love the designs. We got them in the mail probably last week, and they've been really excited to use them and take their lunch. SJS Heidi says, oh, I have those. Plant Therapy recently just did a giveaway with them. The giveaway has ended, but you can go back on our Instagram page a couple of posts back, and you'll see it, and you'll be able to find the link and find out who they are. But that could be a good option, just one thing at a time, right, to help the earth. Okay, so I also wanted to do a giveaway. I really probably need to get back to working. Look at all of their hard work, and I'm just standing up here talking to all of you. So we're going to repost this on some of the other social channels, but I only had my phone to go live on Instagram this morning, but we are going to repost it. So what we need you to do is we need you, once this live is reposted, we need you to tell us in the comments what you are doing for Earth Day, or what is one thing that this year you maybe want to change or add in your life, just to help with more sustainability. Plant Therapy's definitely making some improvements. We are moving away from the bubble bags that our oils used to be shipped in to the cardboard boxes. The tuck boxes, we recently just launched our wool dryer balls in more sustainable packaging. So if you have any of those, you can definitely leave that as your answer. But let us know what you plan on doing for Earth Day. Paul has a big piece of garbage up there. Let us know what you plan on doing for Earth Day, or what you want to implement in your life this year, to help the earth out a little bit, to become maybe a little bit more sustainable in your life. So let us know. Once this live is reposted, let us know, and we are going to be choosing 10 customers to win $20 Plant Therapy account credit each. So make sure you go and let us know what you're doing for Earth Day, or what you want to implement this year into your life to help move you maybe towards sustainability a little bit. And we will choose 10 winners to each win $20 credit to planttherapy.com. You'll have until midnight tonight to enter. So once this live is reposted, go hop on, let us know in the comment section. We'll also repost it to Facebook and YouTube, so you can also go there and leave your answers as well in the comment section. But I think that's all I have for everyone today. Last chance to say hi to everyone. Stephanie's down there. Some of the people on the top of the hill are throwing things to the bottom of the hill, and then Stephanie's going from side to side to go pick them up, because there's some big things up here. But have a happy Earth Day, everyone. Thanks for joining this quick live. Thanks for supporting Plant Therapy, being our awesome customers. We love all of you. Make sure you enter the giveaway before midnight tonight, so that 10 of you can win $20 credit to Plant Therapy. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.